What is cyberbullying to you?
For me, um, cyberbullying is rampant on the internet. It is harassing someone or throwing some negative comments or posts about someone, which is really hurting and ruining someone's life.
Did you already experience that?
Yes.
When?
June 15, 2016.
What did you do after doing it to you?
I felt in denial. I didn't accept it first, and after that, the aftermath of being in denial, I felt so broken and very hurt, and I felt so unloved because of that, and it causes me, it caused me rather anxiety, which is really affects my life.
What are your steps, or what are the steps did you do in order to overcome what you felt?
The steps I did to ease the pain and to overcome the effects of being cyberbullied. First, um, um, I didn't stay close to my friends because at that time I did not trust anyone. I just trust myself, and only even my parents, I don't trust them except one, except DJ. Uh, he knows everything when I am really hurt and devastated about that cyberbullying incident of mine. He helped me, and then um, after that, when I overcome all my anxieties and being hurt, um, I go back to my normal life before that cyberbullying happened to me.
Can you give us some useful tips in order to avoid that cyberbullying?
I can only give one. For me, avoid using social medias like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, and also stop posting or avoid posting some things or important things that is all about you, because amin na siya ang gagamiton sa imo sa mabuli sa imo ang imo malagi na mga personal na bagay dapat dili mo siya ipopost kay amin gagamitan against sa imo sa mabuli sa imo through social medias.
Have you already tried that cyberbullying, that you are really, really the one who did that to the other people?
No. Because I have the urge to do that to other people, but I realized that having a revenge or vengeance to other people who are out or hindi naman intrado sa ito na nangyari sa akin ng incident sa cyberbullying. Siyempre, naagihan ko man ko paano masakitan. So I realized na dapat dili ko man nahimuon sa iba kay para dili man sinda manghimuon sila sa iba. Kaya ano lang.
In your own words or opinion, what are the motivation in making that to other people? And can they get something precious from them?
For me, their motivation is just to take a revenge because you cannot make cyberbullying if you're not once a cyberbullied. So I think it's just an urge to do a revenge for them.
If someone offered you to do that cyberbullying thing in exchange of some amount, would you mind to do that to other people?
No,
Why?
because taking revenge is not the best thing to do, or the best thing to do is the pain or the pain of the victim who have encountered that incident of being cyberbullied. So I will never ever do that thing to do bullying just to kapalit ang sa na amount. So for me, I'd rather be silent or do nothing or just hindi mambully kaysa sa mambully ka na kasi ka man yung victim na sa bullying. So for me, it's better to be silent and ipagpasadyos na latan.
Thank you. For some situations like that, can you have some or can you get some help from any health organizations like the police station, the DSWD, in order to help you? In what way can they help you with that problem?
Share mo sa inyo nangyari na sa cyberbullying para mabuligan mo siya. Maka-advise nila sa inyo
Tapos,
kung ano dapat yung mga
Oh, tapos, di ba, kumangayo ka sa mga pulis, sa bully, adrasin da para kung sino man ito naging balansa mo or nag-cyberbully sa imo, pwede ninda ito ikulong or patawan sa pawis na dapat para sa inyo. Tama. Yeah! Boom!
Someone offered you to do that cyberbullying thing in exchange of some amount. Would you mind to do that?
No!
Why?
Kaya paano, kung mali na sabihin mo mag-biyago di man ito ng bayan. Siyempre, kung magpaparaot, di man siya.
Usad pa, konsensya mo ina. Maski magintagaan ka sa money na maski dako pa na ng money. Dadarahon mo ina na konsensya mo.
Habang buhay.
Yes. Habang buhay. Kaya that's all. Oh my gosh!
That's all. Thank you,
Thank
Ate
you.
Ami and Vika.
Yes.
What is the difference between physical bullying and cyberbullying to you, Dre?
Yung pagkakaiba ng physical, then cyberbullying para sa akin. Kasi yung physical, sinasaktan mo yung tao physically. While cyberbullying naman, sinasaktan mo yung tao emotionally through internet or social media.
Can you share with us, Dre, your experience about that cyberbullying?
Yung share ko lang tungkol sa cyberbullying, yung time na nanalo kami sa Sinulog, tapos ako yung naging Best in Festival Queen. Tapos, akala ko talaga wala nang magre-react kasi nga, panalo kami, tas ganon. Tapos, makalipas siguro ng ilang araw matapos yung contest, may narinig ako tungkol, galing sa classmate ko na, yun nga, na may nag-post sa Facebook tungkol doon. Tapos, yung sabi doon sa Facebook, yung ano, yung, kung akala mo kung sino na makareact, porket nanalo, ganon. Tapos, syempre, nasaktan ako doon kasi nga, ginawa ko naman lahat yung best ko para manalo lang. Tapos, hindi rin naman bias yung yung judges kasi makikita naman talaga siguro kung sino yung dapat o hindi. Tapos yung ginawa ko na lang para siguro maalis ko sa utak ko yung nangyari. Parang binaling ko na lang yung attention ko sa friends ko dahil tapos papalapit na din naman yung foundation kaya mas finocus ko yung sarili ko sa pagpa-practice tapos ganun.